Hey food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen where flavors meets culture. We are cooking one of our most beloved and nourishing dish, authentic Nigeria vegetable soup. Before you scroll past, if you have never tasted the soup that makes you close your eyes, hum with every bite and say, "Chai, who cooked this masterpiece?" then you're about to experience the magic. But let me warn you, don't watch this on an empty stomach because once the soup starts bubbling, your appetite is going to increase like the morning sun. So we're about to cook the real and the authentic Nigerian vegetable soup. Not the internet version, not the shortcut. I mean the one that your grandma makes that clears the room with the aroma alone. So guys, here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using in making this vegetable soup. So here is my water leaf. I've washed, cut, and it's ready for use. And this is the ugu I'm using. This is daison, this is catfish, this is stockfish, the beef I'm using for cooking, and this is the cod bonnet pepper. The pepper is the red and the yellow pepper. On here I have oil bean seed and the iru, and I also have grounded crayfish, red oil, and seasoning cube. So without further ado, let me take you through the steps on how you can make your mouth-watering vegetable soup if that's what you crave for. So let's begin with steaming our protein. I am using beef for this. You can use shake, dry fish, cow stride for this cook, goat meat, and it's still going to turn out very perfect. After adding the stockfish to the meat, I will sprinkle the salt for taste, seasoning cube, onions, and cover the pot and let the fire do the work. So I will stir properly, add a little bit of water, cover and let it simmer until tender and really juicy. This is 5 minutes into cooking the meat, and I'm going to add enough water to cook down the meat so the meat gets to be tender. I will stir properly before adding the water, but remember you're not adding too much water into the meat because you are making vegetable soup. So always remember and be very mindful of the amount of water you are using because you are going to be making use of the stock in cooking your vegetable soup. You don't want whereby you are eating the vegetable soup and the water is dripping down your elbow. You don't want that. You want a very thick and very luscious vegetable soup. So now that the stockfish and the beef have cooked really well to perfection, I'm going to be adding in the red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper that I blended earlier on, the washed catfish, and red palm oil. So don't be shy with the palm oil. This is Igbo vegetable soup. It needs to glitter because no Nigerian vegetable soup is complete without the red palm oil. So just add enough, not too much and not too little, just enough to give that soup the deep luscious color. So now we'll be introducing the secret weapon to this dish, which is crayfish and ogiribo, the opeye. If you are a Nigeria food lover and you have tasted any food made with this opeye, the scent alone, it is only the real ones that know what this tastes in a meal. So I'm going to be introducing it and add a little water, add the remaining onions, more seasoning cubes, and just a pinch of salt to balance the flavor. Let it all simmer together until the oil begins to float. So now this is the time to add the vegetable, but before doing that, I'm going to stir properly to make sure all the ingredients is well combined together. So now the royalty arrived, which is the water leaf and ugu leaf. So watch them like you are handling treasure, because you that is eating this meal, you are special. So these greens, they don't just nourish your skin, they revive your soul. So now I'm going to be adding the water leaf first. I will cook this for 2 to 3 minutes, then stir it very properly. Then before introducing the pumpkin leaf, which is ugu. So don't overcook it. We want it fresh, vibrant, and full of nutrients. So after cooking the water leaf for 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to be adding my pumpkin leaf into the pot. So after adding, I'm going to give it a very good stir so all the vegetable can combine really well. So at this point, my kitchen is filled with the aroma of this very vegetable soup. So guys, there is no shortcuts, no guesswork. This is where the magic comes in together. Every stir, every simmer, every scent building a masterpiece. In fact, you cannot get it wrong with this vegetable soup. This vegetable soup can be paired with any single thing you get to find in your kitchen. You can pair this with rice, you can pair this with yam, you can even pair this vegetable soup with bole, and it's still going to taste really great. So at this point, I'm sprinkling some seasoning to combine every bit of this taste together. So can you smell it? The bubbling richness, the color, the thickness. This is the kind of soup that hug you from inside out. And if you have ever tasted this vegetable soup, do let me know at the comment section. Or if you're going to be trying this out, still let me know at the comment section. Honestly, at this point, this soup is super ready. So you can serve it hot with pounded yam, fufu, eba, or even white rice. You can also serve this with bole. So pair this food with any of the above I have mentioned, and you will know why Nigerian vegetable soup isn't just a food. It is our heritage. And oh yes, this soup doesn't come to play. It comforts, it nourishes your body, and yes, it slaps harder than the January harmattan. And just like that, soup wey dey hug belle don land. If your screen doesn't fog and your mouth no water, check yourself because this soup is not for the weak. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe because more delicious traditions are loading. Until next time, cook with pride, eat with joy, and remember, Naija food no dey disappoint.